What if I told you that your body is holding emotions you haven't put into words yet? I recently did this art therapy exercise with 49 people, and something incredible happened. Emotions surfaced, patterns appeared, and many people finally understood what their body was trying to say. Hey everyone, I'm Sana Asad. I'm a certified holistic art therapy practitioner, founder of Wild About Art Studio based in Bahrain. Let me show you how body mapping and neurographic art work together and why this is so powerful. In art therapy, we don't start by talking. We start by listening to the body. Stress, anxiety, fear, joy. They don't just live in the mind, they live in the chest, the stomach, the shoulder, and the hands. This exercise helps you see what you've been feeling without forcing words. I begin with a body mapping worksheet. You can find the same template on my website if you'd like to try this yourself. You gently look at the outlining of the body and ask one simple question. Where do I feel this emotion today? No thinking, no judging, just noticing. Next, I invite participants to choose colors, not based on beauty, but based on feelings. In my worksheet, it's already mentioned some of the colors, but I give them the freedom. If you want to change the color, feel free to do it. Maybe your blue is not sad, you might feel joy when you see blue. So, in my classes, in my workshops, and even here on my YouTube channel, I want you to feel free to change the color and bring your own colors of your feeling to this exercise. Color bypasses logic. It goes straight to the emotional brain. Then comes the optional layer, lines, shapes, marks. Some people choose sharp lines. Some choose soft waves. Some repeat the same shapes again and again. This is your nervous system speaking through your hand. Let's do this exercise with me. Start with color only, without thinking. Choose 1, 2, 3, or 4 colors that matches how you feel right now. Let your hand move freely. Fill the space, layer, press harder or light. For me, I always start with a color, and once I have all the colors of my feeling, then I start placing them inside my body. Don't name the feeling yet, just let color speak. Now pick a marker or pen, add lines or shapes over the color. This is optional, but if you want to give the specific shape to the feeling, that will help. They can be sharp, soft, messy, repeated, anything, zigzag, hearts. This step allows your nervous system to release through movement. Take 30 seconds here. Take your time. No rush. Listen to a music which can connect with your soul. High Cat is all about body, mind, and soul. We don't just create and make art, but we connect our soul and mind as well. Now, look at your colors. Notice what stands out. A color, a shape, an area. Just gently ask, where do I feel this in my body? Use body outline. Place the colors or shape where you feel them. Chest, stomach, throat, shoulder, hands, head. There is no thinking, just placing. If nothing comes up, that's okay. And if a lot comes up, that's okay too. With 49 participants, many noticed anxiety in the chest, tightness in shoulder, heavy emotions in the stomach. Awareness alone is healing. I never knew why my shoulder pain. I always thought that because I go to gym, I do exercise, strength training. That's the reason I have pulled some muscle and my shoulder aches. But the moment I start doing this exercise, trust me, I start releasing the pain. No medicine, no gel or balm work for that pain. Just by noticing and releasing through my art, help me get rid of this pain. But whenever I have the stress, anxiety, or work overload, the first area affected is my shoulders. Now, here I'm leaving you for 5 minutes. Just connect with your body and soul and complete your worksheet. Next, we will bring neurographic lines and body mapping together. Now we gently bring in neurographic lines. Take a blank paper, keep your body map next to your blank paper. I'm using watercolor paper here. Draw slowly continuous lines that connect different areas. Soften sharp corners, let lines flow. This helps the brain move from stress to regulation. This exercise helps you notice emotions before they explode. It builds mind-body awareness, regulates the nervous system, and creates emotional release without words. You just listen to your body through art. After completing my neurographic lines, I start by sketching a basic body shape. If you want the exact worksheet I use in my workshops and here in this video, you can find it on my website. Use it for a weekly check-in or before journaling or art therapy. You can also use for your clients if you are a life coach, art therapist, educator. This is also very helpful for children. So if you are a school teacher or art teacher, you can also try this at least once a month with your students. Once I complete this worksheet in my sessions, I give them the reflection question, which I'm going to ask you here. Take a deep breath, notice your body again without judgment. What do you notice first when you look at your artwork now? Which color or shape feels the strongest? Is there any area that surprised you? For your body awareness, you can always ask yourself, where did the emotion show up most clearly in your body? Does that area feel tight, heavy, warm, numb, or open? Has that sensation changed since you started this exercise? So here I'm done. I use watercolor for the background, and inside the body I use markers to identify the areas where I feel sensation of that feeling. Pause the video, write one sentence that begins with, "My body is telling me." Also, comment below, where did your emotions show up in your body today? Your body always knows. Art simply helps you listen. I hope this art therapy exercise will help you and can't wait to see your work. Don't forget to join our cozy little community. You can also download the workbook in which you will get the feeling wheel along with a template of the body mapping and benefits. Till next time, keep creating and keep sharing. Take care of yourself, everyone.